Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using NordVPN, so let's get started. I've been exploring NordVPN recently, checking out their website at nordvpn.com. Their homepage is really polished and highlights some key features. They emphasize their strong security measures, fast connection speeds for streaming and other online activities, and their vast network of servers located across the globe. It's a clean and easy-to-navigate website, making it simple to find information about pricing, features, and their overall service. One thing that immediately stands out on their website is the prominent display of their security protocols. They detail their use of advanced encryption standards, designed to keep your online activity private and protected. This focus on security is likely a major draw for many users seeking reliable VPN protection. They also showcase the versatility of their VPN service. It's not just about security. NordVPN promotes its ability to enhance your online experience by unlocking geo-restricted content. This means you can access streaming services and websites that might be blocked in your region. This is a significant advantage for those who travel frequently or want access to a wider range of online entertainment options. The website also makes it easy to compare their different subscription plans. They clearly outline the features included in each plan, such as the number of simultaneous connections allowed and any additional features, like dedicated IP addresses. This transparency allows potential subscribers to choose the plan that best suits their needs and budget. From my initial exploration of their website, NordVPN appears to offer a comprehensive and user-friendly VPN service. Their emphasis on security, speed, and accessibility is clear. Of course, hands-on testing is crucial for a complete review, but their website provides a promising first impression. I'll be sharing more about my actual experience using NordVPN in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for more in-depth insights. Be sure to check the description for a direct link to NordVPN and other helpful resources.